Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel Geico auto insurance policy online. So basically there are 3 steps to cancel the Geico insurance policy. The first step is that you have to call the customer service number, and after that you will be greeted by an interactive automated voice. You have to simply say cancel insurance policy, and it may ask you your policy number, and then they may ask you some questions. For example, they can ask you some questions related to your identity, so they can verify if it's only you speaking to cancel your insurance policy. Once you are verified, they may ask you for a date to cancel your policy. You can pick any date and tell them you can cancel my policy on that blah 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 date. So once everything is done, they will send you a confirmation email, and once you receive the confirmation email, the last step is you have to also you can say deactivate your automated payment. If you have set it up an automated payment on Geico website, you have to also cancel that or deactivate that payment method, and after that you have successfully canceled Geico auto insurance policy. If you find that video helpful, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe.